Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this chapter of the play The Proposal by Anton Chekhov. In the last video module, previous one, we have discussed about the discussion between all these three characters, because after some time Chubuko that he enters, and he also took the favor of his daughter Natalia, and they start quarreling over the petty issues like Oxen Meadows, about the ownership of the land. So later on, after a lot of discussion, then finally Lomo, the young man, that he threatens Chubuko to take him to the court. This matter, the ownership of the land. A lot of abuses later on are exchanged in between them, Lomo and Chubuko. And Natalia, she also accused him, she also abuses Lomo. Chubuko calls Lomo what? A pettifogger. Pettifogger means, here the meaning is given, a crafty person. All that you pettifogger, all your people were like that. Who calls? Chubuko calls to Lomo. Then Lomo replied, never mind about my people, because the Lomos have always been or all been honorable people, and not one has ever tried for any kind of the embezzlement. Embezzlement means such a person ought to steal money from our employees. Embezzlement means to steal money or to take it by force from our employees. This is what embezzlement, the meaning is given here. Later on, Chubuko says Lomo's grandfather. They start accusing to each other. They abused, they scolded each other, used different words, abusing words. Chubuko calls Lomo that Lomo's grandfather was a drunkard. Who says to whom? Chubuko to Lomo. In the matter of abusing, in that process, he calls that your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt, what? She ran away with an architect. Who says? Chubuko says to Lomo. So this is your family. It means he tries to accuse Lomo's family that your grandfather was a drunkard and your aunt, she ran away with an architect. Chubuko tells to Lomo. Then Lomo also he says that, what did he reply? Then Lomo replied that, and your mother was humpbacked. When Chubuko abuses him, calling all these things that your grandfather about his aunt or the grandfather, then Lomo also replies that your mother was a humpbacked. Humpbacked means with curve in the back. And something pulling in my side. Once again he says, Chubuko says, your father was a guzzling gambler who drinks. Gambler who drinks. It means in this way they start abusing to each other. Later on, Chubuko that because in between the dialogues continuously Lomo that he shows in such a way that he does that he felt dying. That he shows in such a way that he was having some problem, heart problem or something, and putting his hand on his heart, on his chest, he start calling or crying, shouting that I felt that I am dying. Who? Lomo. And so that's why I could not say anything to you. In such a way, in between they start doing, especially Lomo. Later on, Natalia, she also calls him rascal. Such the exchange of the words in between them or among them, these three characters. Natalia also she enters. Later on, Chubuko calls him villain and plus scarecrow. Here, for example, who calls him whom to scarecrow? Here Chubuko that he calls Lomo as a scarecrow. Scarecrow means the person who is badly dressed, odd looking. Who says to whom? Who calls to whom? Chubuko to Lomo that you are a villain and scarecrow. Then plus he calls him a monster. Chubuko also calls him Lomo as a monster that who has come here to propose. Who says? Chubuko says there in between. Now later on, in between what happened? Lomo that he could not tolerate, could not see all these things that, and then he exits. Who? Lomo, he exits. Now on the scene only two characters. One is Chubuko and second one is his daughter. Lomo exits. Now Lomo leaves. Chubuko tells, and after the departure of this character Lomo, then Chubuko says to his daughter, tells his daughter that he came here, that monster has come here, that villain has come here for what? Scarecrow, that man, to propose you, to propose. And now when Nathala, when she heard this word propose her, that time she started inquiring, or she starts inquiring to her father, that why, what kind of the propose, what is the matter? Because so far that she is unaware, or she was unaware about the purpose of Lomos to come here. What is the purpose behind Lomos to come here? She was unaware. So later on, when she inquires to her father that what kind of the propose, to whom, what, then that time Chubuko tells her that he had come here to propose you for the marriage. This time Chubuko, that he tells his daughter that he had come here to propose you for the marriage. So when she heard that he had come here to propose me, that time she could not digest. Already she was willing. Already she has been waiting for all these words. And when she heard that he had come here to propose me, that time she starts crying, or such killing that she starts. Who? Nathala. And she asked him. And now at this time what happened? The daughter and the father, Chubuko and Nathala, they start accusing to each other. They abused to each other. One says that because of you. Daughter says that because of you, she says to her father that now Lomo left. But Chubuko says no, it was you that who started all this matter, that who were quarreling. It means they also started exchanging the words in between. So finally, Nathala, that she tells her daughter that anyhow, at once what you do to bring Lomo back at once. She tells her father. Who? Nathala. It means here we can understand Nathala, she also loves to whom? Lomo. It means she was lovesick. So that's why she, when she came to know that what Lomo had come here to propose her for the marriage, that time she could not tolerate, and she started quarreling with her father, and she asked her father that anyhow that bring him back at once. So this is what the part we have discussed here. So the remaining part we will continue in the next video module. Thank you, students.